Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll walk you through on how you can simply unarchive a chat on Telegram. So to unarchive a chat in Telegram, you have to open your Telegram app. Now to be able to unarchive a chat, you can simply do that by tapping on the archived chat at the top. So you can only have this option on your chat list if you have active archive chat in the archive tab. So for you to be able to unarchive a chat, just click on the archive chat, then the available chat that is in your archive chat will be revealed, and that's it. So for you to be able to unarchive this, you have to drag to the right again, drag to the left, rather drag to the left, then you can see the option for the unarchive chat. From here just tap on it and the archive chat will be moved from the chat archive to your chat list. So to unarchive, just tap on unarchive and the archive chat will definitely disappear. If there's no any other chat that is being moved there, then the chats that you unarchive from the archive chat option will be moved back to your normal Telegram chat, and that's where you can find your own archive chat. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.